Hey everyone, it's Let's Make, and today I'm going to be making a quite quick, simple weekend project using some glue sticks, 3D printer in a case, and some LEDs, where you basically got the glue sticks like this, LED on either side, and you can make a cool light show. I saw it on Instagram, but it was quite basic, so I'm going to be using some cool LEDs, where you can program them using an Arduino, and we'll see if we can make some cool light shows. So yeah, let's get straight on to the design. Okay, so this is the basic design of it. We've got the front here and then the back. So I'll show you the hexagon as the shape. If we look underneath, you'll see there's the extensions here. This is to stop the light from mixing with the other ones. And then these holes are where the glue sticks will go. And then we've got this middle section, so this is where the LEDs will be put on top. And then the bottom section, which is where the electronics will be. So this is where I'll put the battery, the charger here. In the center we've got the brightness, the left hand side we've got the switch, and then the right hand side we've got the mode button. And then together they just clip on, and there we've got that. So I've written quite a basic script so far. We're going to have 3 inputs. So you've got the switch, turn it on and off, so that'll be an actual switch. Momentary switch, which is used on ground and D7, which can switch the mode like this. And then we've got the variable resistor as well, that's the other input for controlling the brightness. We need to add a little capacitor here to stop burnout, and a resistor between the digital input and the pins to protect the LEDs as well. So let's put that all together into a case. Okay, so we've got the 3 bits now. The top side is quite obvious. The holes are a bit tight though, so for some reason, even though I gave them some tolerance, it's still not going in. So I'm going to re-drill those. This bit works fine, so it goes underneath here, like so. And then we've got the base, which these holes need to be re-drilled. They're a bit tight still. Again, gave them tolerance, but not really working. So that's a 6mm and 2 7s. The rest seems to be fine. Okay, so the first thing I did was mark where the LEDs are going to go. Then I re-drilled out the holes and put the glue sticks in the positions. Then I set the LEDs on the marks where I just used the pencil, so where they're going to go, and then rewire them in series again to connect them back up. I then tested these to make sure they're still working by plugging them in on a battery pack and changing the brightness settings, and also checking the mode using the pin D7. Okay, so we've got basically this done. We've got the inputs here. This will go on top, and we just need to add the circuit now with a little PCB board and battery pack in here. So I'm going to do that. SparkFun recommends adding a capacitor on the input of the LED. So what I've got is 1000 UF, which is a bit overkill for only 16 LEDs. They recommend anything between 100 and 1000 UF. I've only got this though in stock currently, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, so now what we've got is quite simply the top bit, LEDs, and then the circuit. So we just need to add a couple of batteries here and glue these parts down, and that should be it. Okay, so now we've got it all connected. We've got the batteries in there and the charger. All we've got to do left is clip it together, and then yeah. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this project. It was quite a simple one at the weekend, quite cool. I think you can do it at home. If you want to check out more videos, you can see them here. And if you want to check out my channel, it's here. So I hope you guys see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my Instagram for more posts.